in real life. New solution. The first solution is customer who get wrong person. The second solution is customer who will get honest person and the correct. Now let's watch our video.
Hi miss, how can I help you?
Hi, I would like to buy this bed. May I know how much is this?
Okay, so for this bed, it only costs 2,500, but we have a plan where you can pay 210 for each month for 12 months.
I see. But I have this financial problem. Can I pay with non-fixed price every month?
Sure, yes. Hello, can I help you?
I want to buy the microwave.
Sure, which model do you want?
I think I want to buy this model.
Okay, sure. For this model, for 10% interest, you need to pay 246 ringgit, 0.8 cent.
Sure, I will take it.
What is annuity? Annuity is a series of payments, deposits or withdrawals made at equal intervals of time. For example, shop rental, insurance policy premium, annual dividends received, installment payment, and loan repayments. The payments are made at the end of each payment period. The interest and payments periods are of the same interval, while the first and last payments are fixed.
Annuity can refer to two things. One, future value, and the second, present value. Annuity future value refers to the sum or total of all the future values of the periodic payment. To find the future value, the formula used is this. S stands for future value, the one we are calculating for. R is periodic payment. I is interest calculated by the rate of interest divided by the compounded rate, whether it is monthly, quarterly, and so forth. N is the term of investment calculated by multiplying the compounded rate and the year of payment. I refers to interest calculated by future value minus term of investment multiplied by periodic payment. Example of future value used in daily life is retirement fund, sinking funds for major life goals, for example, children's education fund, and investment plan.
Here's one example for the future value. The question states that Fitri invests 100 ringgit every month for 5 years in an investment scheme. The interest rate given is 9% compounded monthly. We are required to find the accumulated value of the investment and the interest earned. First of all, we identify the information given in the question. The regular monthly investment is R equal to 100. The annual interest rate is K, which is equal to 9%, but then converted into a decimal form as 0.09. Since the interest is compounded monthly, the number of compounding periods per year is N equal to 12. The investment period is T equal to 5 years. After that, we calculate the total numbers of payment using the formula N is equal to M times T. By substituting the values, N equal to 12 times 5, which gives N is equal to 60. This means Fitri makes a total of 60 monthly payments throughout the 5-year investment period.
Next, we find the accumulated value of the investment. Since this is an annuity problem, we use the future value formula for an ordinary annuity, which is S equal to R times 1 plus I, power of N minus 1 over I. Then, we substitute the value into the formula S equal to 100 times 1 plus 0.0075, power of 60 minus 1 over 0.0075. After calculating, we get S equal to 7,542 ringgit 41 cent. After that, we calculate the interest earned from the investment. The formula used is I equal to S minus NR. By substituting the value, I equal to 7,542.41 minus 60 times 100. First, we calculate the total amount invested by Fitri. 60 times 100 equal to 6,000. Then, I equal to 7,542.41 minus 6,000. Therefore, I equal to RM 1,542 ringgit 41 cents. This means Fitri earns a total interest of RM 1,542 ringgit 41 cents from her investment.
The second part of annuity is present value, refers to the sum of all the present values of the periodic payment. To find the present value, the formula used is this. A stands for present value, the one we are calculating for. R is periodic payment. I is interest calculated by rate of interest divided by the compounded rate, whether it is monthly, quarterly, and so forth. N is the term of investment calculated by multiplying the compounded rate and the year of payment. I refer to interest calculated by term of investment multiplied by periodic payment minus the present value. Example of present value in daily life is car loan, home loan, student loan, and consumer financing.
Next, we are going to explain and show how this present value is related in our real life. There is one example question for the present value. Let's look at an example. The question above Faisal has to pay 200 every 3 months for 2 years to settle a loan at 12% compounded quarterly. We are required to find the original value of the loan and the total interest that he must pay. First, you identify the information given in the question. The payment R is 200. the interest rate K equal to 12%, which is 0.12. Since the interest is compounded quarterly, the number of compounding period per year, which is M, is 4. The loan period T is 2 years. Next, we calculate the periodic interest rate using the formula I equal K per M. So the value is 0.12 per 4, which is I is 0.03. After that, we calculate the number of payment using the formula N equal MT, so N is 8. This means Fraser make a total of 8 payments throughout the 2 years loan period. Next, find the original loan value using the present value formula. We use the present value formula for an ordinary annuity, so this is the formula. And then we put the value into the formula. After calculating, we get answer A equal 1,403.94 ringgit, which is the original value of Fraser loan. Next, we calculate the total interest that he must pay for the loan. So the formula is I equal to NR minus A. After calculating the total interest, we get the answer is I equal to 196.06 R ringgit.